Hi everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. In this video, I'm going to be making, in my opinion, a rather unique cake called Rosemary Remembrance Cake. To me, the term remembrance is not only referred to those who have passed, but I personally extend it to whom I am grateful for. When I came across this recipe a long time ago, I was intrigued by one particular ingredient, namely rosemary. I knew back then that I got to try this recipe out. Rosemary is a herb, and although it's commonly used in many savory dishes, surprisingly, the subtle aroma of this herb complements the cake well. So let's look at the ingredients. For the filling, you need 1 eating apple, approximately 180 grams in weight, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 1 teaspoon of castor sugar, I'd like to use unrefined, zest and juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of butter. Firstly, peel, core, and cut the apple into small chunks. Then put into a saucepan with a sprig of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of castor sugar, the zest and juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of butter. Cook the apple filling on a low heat for 4 to 8 minutes until the apple is soft. Then leave the apple filling to cool down with the rosemary sprig. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. Line a 450 gram or 1 pound loaf tin with a loaf liner. Put the cold apple into a food processor. Take out the rosemary sprig and process for a few seconds. Add 225 grams of butter, 150 grams of castor sugar, 3 large eggs, 300 grams of plain flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and process to a smooth batter. Scrape the cake batter into the loaf tin and level out the top. I add a twist to this stage by adding some sultana before I sprinkle a tablespoon of castor sugar on top, then put a sprig of rosemary along the center. Bake the cake for 50 minutes or until when you test the cake with a toothpick or a cake tester and the toothpick or the cake tester comes out clean. Rest the cake on a rack in the loaf tin. Once it's cool, remove out of the tin and peel off the cake liner. I hope you give this cake a go. Thank you for watching and take care.